Salam alaikum friends and welcome to the Trend Diaries. I am Nidhi and I've created this soft smoky eye look with a vibrant pop of color on the lip. I hope you guys really would like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and happy Eid to all of you all. Eid Mubarak, and please continue watching. So starting up, I have already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin, and starting up with the eye makeup, I first prime my lids using the Olivia makeup stick as my eyeshadow base, as it's really creamy and nice. I've done a separate review video on it. If you would like to watch it, I would leave it in the iCard above, and blending it out with my finger. I'm gonna be using the Savannah Makeup Academy Professional Eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 as the only palette today, and starting off with the brown shade into my crease as a transition. This look is gonna be really soft smoky eyes, so a nice contour transition would look really nice and wearable. Next, I went in with a little bit cooler brown shade over there and intensified the crease a bit more. On the other eye, I did the same, and then I picked up the purpley, cool toned purple color, and with the help of my finger, I applied it all over my lid on both of the eyes, and then with the blending brush, I blended out the outer edges. Re-intensifying the color till I get the payoff I would like, and then using a bit of whitish powder eyeshadow and cleaning out the edges and trying to blend them more into the contour so that they look soft, nice and smoky. Cleaning out the outer edges with a wet tissue, and then I went in with this Pixie Kill Black eyeliner. This is a felt tip eyeliner, and I did my winged liner. The smoky eye is really wearable. You can wear it for daytime as it has all matte colors, and it would be great for Eid. Then for the face, I started off with the Blue Heaven primer and primed my skin for a soft canvas, and for the foundation I went in with my Fit Me foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey, and dotted it all over my skin and used a flat top kabuki brush to first tap it into my skin and then went into circular motions so that it blends nicely without giving any streaks. Then for setting, I used my Blue Heaven UHD pressed powder, and this was in the shade 03 Natural I guess, and applied it all over my face to set it. And for bronzing I used the Kimuse bronzer I got off AliExpress, and if you haven't seen my haul, I will leave the link right up in the iCard so that you can see the haul from where I got this bronzer, and I really love it. I also used it to contour my nose to give them that chisel look. Again, for the lower lash line, I went in with the brown shade we used as a contour and applied it all over my lower lash line, and then with that cool toned purple just on the outer half edge of the lower waterline, and a little bit of black shadow all over beneath the waterline. to just give a nice fuller effect to my lashes. And then I used some kohl in my waterline and smudged the kohl into the black eyeshadow as to you can even go in first with the kohl and then set it with the eyeshadow, any which ways. And then I used a regular eyeliner pomade gel to fill in my brows as I usually do. For the blush, I went in with the Blue Hen Cake Rouge in the shade 4 and applied it on the apples of my cheek and blended it upwards towards my temples. For the highlight, I went in with the Swiss Beauty Shimmer Brick and used that bronzy color to highlight the cheek bones, my brow bone, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow chin, and also placed it in the inner corner of my eye. For the lipstick, I went in with the Matte Look Super Stay Lip Gloss in the shade Flamingo. I guess it is 10 or shade 11. If you haven't seen my Matte Look Super Stay lipstick swatches video, I will leave it as well. So this is the finished look. Really nice, soft, smoky, but yet wearable, and this is perfect, I guess, for this Eid, and I hope you guys would really love this. And if you guys do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram with the handle, with my account handle, it's me_Nidhi. All my social media links would be in the description box, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And I hope you have a nice and prosperous Eid. Eid Mubarak, friends. Good day.
حبل الود يجمعنا في عيد السعادة ضيف أحبابنا نوب